How to split charts on TradingView. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now, moving towards the video, first of all, you have to open TradingView on your mobile or on your desktop. As you open TradingView on your mobile, it will take some time to open. Now you have to select any of the stocks that you want to trade or see the chart of. As you click on the chart, a chart will appear over here. Now you have to go on these three lines that are located down below, and if you are using desktop, then these three lines will be located up above. You have to click on these three lines and you have to scroll down and go on layout type option, and over here you can change the layout. Now if I am using a monitor, then I can change it to whatever plans that whatever layout I want. But if I am not using a monitor, let's say I'm using a mobile only, that I cannot change these kind of options. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.